Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be one of the best video of this channel because in this video we are going to make Jarvis handle the YouTube operations by implementing deep learning model and sentiment analyzer. Let me show you the sample of it. Hello Jarvis.
Hello, sir. How may I help you?
Play Friday in Python on YouTube.
I have found the video as how to create artificial intelligence in Python. Part 1 on Man Friday. Would you like to play it?
Yes, of course.
Got it, sir.
Wake up Jarvis.
Hello, sir. How may I help you?
Show me the channel of Carrie Minati on YouTube.
I got a channel for you as Carrie Minati. Would you like to open it?
No. Hello Jarvis.
Hello, sir. Always at your service.
Show me the channel of Carrie Minati on YouTube.
I got a channel for you as Carrie Minati. Would you like to open it?
Yes.
Give me a sec, sir.
So you have seen that Jarvis is able to handle the YouTube requests, right? Now thing to note is that there are two steps. First, getting the YouTube request and confirmation of the request. Now at the time of confirmation, it could be any phrase, negative or positive. Yes, no, no, I don't want, yes, of course, like that. But the best thing is that there is nothing like that static checks. We are going to implement sentiment analyzer for this. How we will have it? Let's jump into the code. So my PyCharm, let's where it is. Here I have my PyCharm. Okay, so let me first close this window. Okay, yeah. Now first thing first, in the last video I have told you that we are going to make this available for all the classes so that we don't require to put always this OS in any of these classes or methods, right? So for that, what I need to do, I am just going to remove this from here, and in utils I'm going to remove this. So here OS name equals to config dot default OS name, right? And same we are going to have in all our intents also. So here I'll just put this, and import config. That's it, I think, for now. Okay, so I need to remove from here, and other one is where, yeah, here we have, this is also need to remove. This is done, this is also done. In the main, yes, we don't require anything now. Okay, this is fine now. Okay, so in the last video we have implemented greeting and applications intent. So you have seen that how we are going to open all the applications by commanding the Jarvis, just having the command, right? And any of the application is not registered in our config, so I have removed where we have the applications. Yes, I have removed all the list which I have earlier created here. Now I'm going to create one more intent here for the YouTube. So how you can create that? So it just copy this one of the intent and paste it here. Now just make it as YouTube search.
I have found the video as glowing star.
Yeah. So now here, so play on.
Give me a sec, sir.
What is happening? So close it. Yeah, here. So play video on YouTube, right? Next is play open show or launch. You can have like that, like this, right? or one more we can have search video on YouTube, right? So I have given these utterances and responses will be got it, sir. And I'll just remove this one. Give me a second, sir. लिख देते हैं right here. Yeah. Okay, so this is it, right? So we have created tags and utterances and responses. Now what we need to do, we need to create intent. So here I'm going to create another intent file. So YouTube search, hit enter, add, then class YouTube search, and here we will create init method. Now what we are going to do in this init method, so first what we are going to do, command and response, as we are doing in all the intents, right? So self dot command equals to command, self dot response equals to response, then self dot os name or os equals to config dot default config, right? Okay, so this is done. Now for the YouTube search, we need to implement YouTube library from the Google console or Google developer console, right? So how you can have it, I have created another video for that, right? So you can watch it, link will be in the description box. You can have the idea how you can have the key for YouTube libraries, right? So okay, so let me show you that how I can show you. So here if I'll open console dot Google, yes, here we have, right? So what you need to do, you just need to come here. Okay, so here you can see I have just requested 46. I request, right? Latency we have, right? So these are the all the metadata or the data which you are requested from using the API, right? So first what you need to do, you need to create a project, right? Like I have created this Jarvis AI, right? And after that, when you go to this project, right? So here from here, new project you can create, and when you create the project, just select the project here, and after that I'll just show you what is happening. Okay, let me refresh this. Okay, yeah. So now what you need to do, you need to go not in the security, where home, let's see, I'm not getting that option actually. So what is happening? Okay, so you can have that link here also, explore and enable the API, right? So after creating this project, you need to go to here, explore and enable the API. So go to this page and then go to this library, and here just search for YouTube, right? And here you will get this YouTube data API v3 version, and after that you just need to enable this. So instead of manage, you will get here enable, right? Oh sorry, yes, of course, yes, enable. Then you need to enable this API. After enabling this, just go to the credentials, and after going to this page, you need to create the credential. So I have created two APIs here, API 1 and API 2, right? And yes, of course, you can't copy this, or you can't have the exact copy, right? Because we have these dotted here. So that is why I'm showing this console to you guys, right? So what you need to do, you just need to go to this API key. When you click on it, like I have created, and here you can see I am getting this uh, API is creating, and this is the key, right? So this is the key. You just need to copy and have it, or instead of having, you just need to close it, and you will get the API from here. You can copy here, right? So I'm just going to delete this. So this is how simple is this. You can have your API keys, right? So now when you have this API key, you need to where you need to put. So yes, of course, that API key, you need to have it. So what you need to do first, you need to have the developer key here. Just copy and paste that key. So let me just copy this key, pasting it here. I'll just, of course, I'll just delete this key from my console after creating this live, right? So after that, you need to have YouTube API service name, or you can have the service name also. So we have YouTube, then the YouTube YouTube version, then version is v3, right? This is it. Yes, we have created. Now how we can have the data from these details, right? So for that, I'm going to create f get data, and here what I'm going to do, build. Okay, so first I need to import the libraries. So how you can have it, so for the libraries, let me just copy and paste that from here. So from where I can have, so yeah, this is the library, Google API client library. So Google API Python client. So Google API Python client, right? So this is done. Yes. Now import the libraries. So from Google API client dot discovery import build, then you need to have the errors also, http error. Yes, this is it. Okay, so oh no, yeah, right. Now build. So we need to pass the details here. So self dot YouTube API service name, then self dot YouTube API version, then we need to have the developer key. Right, so here we can have self dot developer key. This is it. So it will give you the object of YouTube API. So we need to have this object in a variable, and then we will have the YouTube dot search, right? And we will give some values here. So first is query, and here we will pass the like string Friday in Python, then part, what are the details from this search we need, so ID and snippet, and then we will have the max results. So how many results we need, so for now I'll just make it 1. you can have 10, 5, whatever you want, right? On that basis you need to handle the your logics. Now dot execute, and then return uh, so okay, so I need to save it. So search response, right? And then return search response dot get items, right? So for now I have put it just the static value, so I'll just show you how this get data is working, right? So okay, so I need to have this into try to catch, because we need to handle the exceptions also. Except http error, right, as e, then print, and http, okay, not like this, and http error occurred, right, just like this. And here we will pass the errors. F string e dot response dot status, and then we will have t dot content status, and the details of this of that error code we will have, right? Okay, now I need to call this YouTube search intent in our main. So here just copy and paste it, and here YouTube search, and instead of application, so first I need to import intent from intents dot YouTube search, right? Just copy this, paste it here, and yeah, so here we will have the get data, right? So here we have given this response, and then we need to have the command also. So just give the command and get data, and we will have it here, right? So if I'll debug this, let's see. Okay, so one thing, just for testing, what I'll do, I'll make this session always true, so that we don't need to always just say the active word, right? So let me have it here. Search on YouTube. So yes, you can see here it is taking our intent as YouTube search, because we have given the command search on YouTube. Okay, so let's see whether we have this search on YouTube in our utterances. Search video on YouTube we have, but not the search on YouTube exactly we have, right? So this is working fine. Okay, so now just go to main and get data. Yes, of course. So here we have, now let's see. Okay, so we got the http error. What is the error? Let's see. Okay, developer key unexpected keyword argument. Okay, so we need to check this keyword, right? So let's see what is that. Where it is, YouTube search, and developer key. Okay, this is the spelling mistake, or not the spelling mistake, is just the case sensitive. So let's debug again. Search on YouTube. So yes, we got here. Now let's see. Yes, we got the YouTube object. Then this is also working fine. So something we got in search response. So if I'll show you this search response, so you will have all the details here, right? So YouTube search list response, right? This object has the type of this search list response. This is the tag ID. I don't know what it is. Then we have this region code. Then page info, we got 1 million of the results, right? And from there we just got the first result, right? So here we got this items, and in items, as I have given the max result 1, so that is why we just got 1. So kind, this is the YouTube result, then this is the e tag, I think this is the ID for that particular search, and yes, here we have this ID. So this is the kind of video, not any channel or playlist, and this is the video old, no, so this is video ID, this is the video ID, and in the snippet we have all the details of the video, right? So this is the publish date, this is the channel ID, and this is the title of the video which we got, and this is the description, and these are the thumbnail details and the channel title also we got, right? So these are the things which we have here. So we are getting all the details. Now how we are going to handle this? So first, I'm going to make this also as dynamic. So how we can do this? So you can see how easy to integrate YouTube API, right? So now here what we need to have, so here we need to have search text, right? So here I'm just giving search, and what I need to do, so here I'm going to create not here, uh, here search equals to, and let me create another method for this. So def get search value, right? So I have created this get search value method here, right? Now what I need to do, so first I need to have all the intents from our config file, so that I can have the exact utterances or all the utterances which are related to the YouTube, right? So what I am going to do, like I'll say search Friday on you, search Friday in Python on YouTube, right? So what is going to happen here, so first I'm going to just replace all the values which we have already in our utterances, because we need to have this tag only, Friday in Python, not all these search on YouTube, because we are not going to give this whole phrase to in our search, right? So for that I'm going to get all the utterances which are registered under this YouTube search utterances, right? So in the YouTube search, how I can have it, so first okay, so intent equals to config dot data. Okay, so let me just create here, so data equals to not like this, with open config, then config dot json as file, then import json, and then we will have json dot load this file. This is it. Now here config dot data, we will have all the intents. So now here we got all the intents. Now we need to have all the utterances which are under YouTube search, right? So for that, what I need to have, so I am going to create here list comprehension. So what I need to do first, for intent in intents, if intent tag equals to YouTube search, and then what we are going to here, we are going to have intent utterances, right? This is it. Yeah, like this. Okay, now here we have the utterances. So we got the utterances where we are just having YouTube search, and this method we are going to call it here self. We need, yes. Okay, now after getting the utterances, so I need to have all the words into a list, right? Or I need to have all the words so that I can replace it from this command value, right? So for that I'm going to use a regular expression because that will be faster instead of using the replace method of string. So import re, and how we can replace all these things. So first we need to have all the words into a predefined format, right? So how we can have it? So for that I need to have all the words list, and then I need to split all the utterances into spaces, and then I need to have in a predefined format. So first what I'm going to have, so first I need to iterate again it. So I'm just again going to have the list comprehension. So what I need to do, for utterances or utterance in utterances, right? And then again for word in utterances or utterance dot split from space, and then we will have here the word. This is it. Now here we will have the words data. Now what I need to do, so let me just be now I need to create that predefined format. So that format is, I just need to have the pipe in between of each word, right? So how I can have it, I will use the dot join, and then I'll just pass the words. That's it. And then return re dot sub, then we need to give the pattern first, words, and from self dot command we are going to replace, and then we will have the not here, these strip here, right? Okay, so this is the thing now. Okay, so the thing is, yes, this is done. Now let's see here. So I'll just give the command and let's see what are the values we are getting on each line. I'll show you that. Search Friday on YouTube. Okay, F9, yes, so we are here. So in the self, if you get here, we have search Friday on YouTube, right? Now F8 I'm pressing, we got the list of all the intents. Then here we got utterances. So we have this array, you can see. And now so this is the multi-dimensional array. So what I need to do, so this is the thing, I need to have only one index, or the first index, right? So let me just run it. So I'll just show you what is going to happen here. It will give us the error, right? So the error would be like this: list object has no attribute split, right? So here, yeah, so I have this, and then debug it again. Search Friday in Python on YouTube. Yes, so F9, got the data. Yes, we got the utterances. I'll show you here, right? So we got all the utterances: launch, open, play, right? And then we have split here. So in the words you can see play video on YouTube, search video on YouTube, play, open, launch, right? So we have splitted all the words from the spaces, and we have list of it, right? But one thing which I missed, so because we have this on two times, so is why we need to keep this two time, right? So what I'll do, I'll just have the set here, so that it will just replace all the duplicates. Now debug it again. So after that it will be here. Search Friday in Python on YouTube. Okay, so what we have in our, yes, search Friday in Python on YouTube, and the words, yes, now we have only the open YouTube search video, launch, play and on, right? So all the duplicate words are replaced. Now let's see where it is. Yeah, here we have this. Now we got the, okay, so we got blank here. Why it got blanked? Okay, I have just messed up with this method. So here, so we need to have first pattern, then the replace, and then the string from where we want to replace it, right? Okay, so let me just remove this and this. Search Friday in Python on YouTube. So just remove it from here. Yes, we got it. Then okay, so Friday in, okay, that O and also replaced. Okay, let's see what we will have it. Okay, yes, we got it. Now let's see what we have in the search response. So we have here, and the channel ID, yes, we got the video for that, right? Okay, so that on is not supposed to replaced, right? So we will look at later. So first, yes, our motive is completed, right? So we got the result by having our dynamic command, right? So let me just close this. Now we need to make this Jarvis able to open that particular video which is found, right? So what we need to do for that? Okay, so for that we need to have a browser thing also, so that it can be open on browser. Now what I need to do for that, I'm going to create def open here, self, and self we will give the URL here, right? And here, okay, so let me just create here def open and URL, and here I need to import web browser, then web browser dot open, then URL, like this. Now in the YouTube search we will have the utils dot open, and then we will have the URL, right? Now what we need to do, so here I'm going to create a search method also. So why I'm creating this, because or even get data, or this search should be here, and this should be def launch, or search, no, search that launch, yes, we will have the launch. Okay, so yes, now we will just get all the details which are in the search response method, or the search response variable. So for that, result, so till now we have not implemented the sentiment analysis things, so we will have it very soon. So self dot get or search, right? So here we will have the search, then we need to have the title, title. So result, how we can have it, I'll just show you later, right? So okay, so let's see what are the objects and the values are coming here. So here I need to put the snippet, then title, and then again what is happening here, when you got the title we are getting some HTML character here as the text, so we need to encode that also. So for that, import HTML, and here HTML dot unscape this. That's it. Yeah. Now if result dot id kind equals to YouTube hashtag then video, then first it will ask that I have found the video as, and it will give the title name, then would you like to, okay, not like this, would you like to open it, like this. Okay, yeah, and then it will just create the URL for that, f string, so https you this is the URL for that, right? Then here we will pass the result ID, so result ID, then here we will pass the video ID. This is it, right? And yes, correct. So after that, here elif plus, right, it's, oh no, copy, even I need to copy this complete channel, then utils dot play sound, I got a channel for you as, and again it will give the title of that channel, would you like to open it, and instead of open here play, right? Yeah, that's it. And here again it will create the URL, and yes, so let me just copy and paste this URL thing. Yes, so how you can have these URLs, so you can just open any of the channel and you will get this URL sample, and for the YouTube also, YouTube video also, you will have it, right? Okay, now this is it. Now here utils, not utils, self dot open the URL. This is it, right? So yes, we got the things. Let's see whether we are able to open this URL or not. So let me just run it. Search Friday in Python on YouTube. Okay, so we got the error. So yes, we are not having any get data. Now we need to call this search. Of course, that should be the error. Yes, of course, I got it. So debug. Play Friday in Python on YouTube. Yes, so that on is replaced, right? So F9. Okay, so we are not getting. Okay, okay, I need to call this launch, not that search. Main here, close it, launch it again. Play Friday in Python on YouTube. Okay, okay, so yes. We got the error. What is the error? Let's see. So this is the error, not string. So we are getting string. Okay, so let's see. Okay, result snippet title. Okay, let's debug this and let's see what is the value which we are getting. Okay, play Friday in Python on YouTube. Okay, F9. Okay, now here search and oh sorry, the result. Let's see. Okay, so we are getting this dictionary list. Okay, 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 okay. So this is the thing, because we are getting this list and we need to have first index of it, right? After that this dictionary will give us the result, not the list, right? So earlier it was list object, right? But when we got this first index, then we will have this dictionary object, and then we can only have this snippet and title, right? So close this, debug it again. Search Friday in Python on YouTube. Okay, so yes, this time yes, we got the title. Now it should say the title.
I have found the video as how to make Fried AI using Python and Hindi in 8 minutes only. Would you like to play it?
Right, and this will create the URL for this, and the URL will append this ID. Let's see, will it open it? Yes, so we got the video, right? So let me just close this and close this. So we are able to open the that particular video by using the YouTube API. Now I need to say yes or no when it is asking me that yes, would you like to open it or not, right? So just close this. Now we are going to implement the sentiment analysis, right? So for that, again, what I'm going to do here, so I'm creating a file here by naming it as voice analyzer add, and here what I'm going to do, import first speech recognition as SR, then from nltk dot sentiment dot weather import sentiment intensity analyzer. This is the thing which we are going to implement. So first I'm going to create class voice analyzer, then creating def init self, then self dot id equals to sentiment analyzer object, and then I'll have the self dot recognizer equals to sr dot recognizer object, right? Okay, this is done. Then I'm creating def dot recognize method. So here we will implement that sentiment analyzer, right? So try, and then that's accept as accept sr. Okay, so what I'm going to do, let me just copy, or not even copy and paste, because we need to just have just 2 or 3 lines. Sr dot microphone as source, then audio equals to self dot recognizer dot listen source, then time out phrase will be 5 seconds, and phrase time limit will be also as 5 seconds. Then voice input not here equals to self dot recognizer dot recognize Google, then we will pass the audio, and then what we are going to do, return self dot this SID sentiment intensity analyzer, right? So what I'm going to dot, we have polarity scores, and we will give the voice input, and I'm just going to copy and paste our code for the accept, which we are already having for the Jarvis. Yeah, this is it. Okay, this is done. Now what we need to do, so we need to in the init, right, where we are downloading these things, so we need to one more data file need to install or download, nltk dot download vader underscore lexicon. Yeah, this is it. And when I'm going to run this, okay, so this is already downloaded, right? So you need to put this code on your init, right? So but this is already downloaded, so I have just commented it, right? If you have not downloaded any of this data, then you need to just uncomment this, and that will be downloaded on your local PC, right? Okay, so this is already into our config, so let me just remove this, and here I'll just have config dot data like this, and I think I need to change in the model also, where I can change that. So get response here, okay, yeah, here. So config dot data, that's it. Yeah, okay, so in the voice analyzer, so that is yeah, so this is it, right? So what it will return, right? So let me just show you that. So now here what we are going to have, so from model dot voice analyzer, we are going to have voice analyzer, right? And in the open, we are going to have this object, so sentiments equals to voice analyzer dot recognize it should be, right? Yes, this is it. Now if we got the sentiments, then we will have the max key of that sentiment, which has the maximum value of it, right? So I'll just show you what kind of, or what type of values we are getting. So how what is I'm going to do here, so max sentiments, then key equals to sentiment, then dot get, right? And then if max key equals to neutral, or max key equals to positive, then only we are going to open the URL, right? And utils dot play sound of self dot response, right? This is done. Now let's debug from here. Run it, not run it, just debug it. So here you can see I have not put any static value for yes, no, no, I don't want, yes, of course, run it, play it. So I have just implemented voice sentiment analyzer here, right? So hello Jarvis. Hello Jarvis.
Hello, sir. Always at your service.
Search Friday in Python on YouTube.
I have found a video as how to create artificial intelligence in Python. Part 1 on Man Friday. Would you like to play it?
So we got sentiment analyzer here, right? So let's see here, F9, yes. Okay, so we got the error. Okay, so this is the error, right? So just close this and run it again. Play Friday in Python on YouTube.
I have found a video as how to create artificial intelligence in Python. Part 1 on Man Friday. Would you like to play it?
Okay, so we are in the recognize. Now what is happening here? When I run this, I need to again give the command yes, no, right? So let me run this. Yes. Okay, now we got voice input. Yes, we got this voice yes, right? Then it will just return the score of this yes. When I run this, here you can see in the sentiments we got this dictionary where we have this negative as 0, neutral as 0, positive is 1, and this compound as 0.4019, right? So this is the negative, this is the neutral, this is the positive value, and total value of this negative including negative, neutral, positive value is 1, right? So maximum value by adding all these, it will be 1, right? So but yes, this is completely a yes or positive word, so that is why we got 1. If we are getting any no or nothing, then we will have it here some value, or if our sentence will be like neutral, then we will have value here. That is why I have just created new neutral here and position and positive, and if both are matched, and we will have the max value of the from these keys, right? So if I run this, you will see we will have this positive. So yes, you can see here we are having positive, and then it will run it and say it response.
Give me a second, sir.
Right, so this video is played successfully, right? Now let me just close this, and so here you can see we have not put it any of the static value here like we have done in our previous Jarvis or Friday series. We have just used the machine learning models for getting the intent from the command and sentiment analyzer to get the positive or negative response, whether we want to open that command or the video or not, right? So okay, so let me now run this, not debug, and I'll show you multiple things which we can do here. Play video on YouTube Friday in Python.
I have found a video as Return X Night Crawlers. Friday featuring Mufasa and Hypeman. Dopamine re-edit. Official video. Would you like to play it?
No. So here you have seen Jarvis did not open that video because I have said no.
Hello,
and
sir.
that
How may I help you?
okay, so that particular no is not configured anywhere here, not even into the
Hello,
JSON,
sir.
right?
Always at your
So
service.
You are surprised that why it is always saying when I am not saying hello Jarvis or I'm not saying wake up word. Why? Because we have here made it as true. When I have made it as false and then again run it, then it will not speak. Hello Jarvis.
Hello, sir. How may I help you?
Show me channel of Kariminati on YouTube.
I got a channel for you as Kariminati. Would you like to open it?
Of course.
Give me a second, sir.
Hello Jarvis.
Hello, sir. How may I help you?
Play some Michael Jackson videos on YouTube.
I have found a video as Michael Jackson. Smooth Criminal official video. Would you like to play it?
Yes.
Give me a second, sir.
So guys, as you can see, our Jarvis is playing our channels and videos
Hello,
successfully
sir.
on
How may
browser,
I help you?
right? So I have said Jarvis, that is why it's okay. So instead of, let me just remove Jarvis from here, right? Yes. Now it will not take it, right? Okay, so other thing which I want to show you that we have this here open and launch in application also, and we have launch and open in YouTube also. But still, when I'll say open some video on YouTube, right? So let me just show you that also. Will it work or not? Open some Michael Jackson videos on YouTube. Okay, it's not coming here, but it is YouTube search. Why? Okay, so let's debug this. Why it is not coming to here? Hello Jarvis. Okay, I did not set this
Hello,
wake up
sir.
part.
Always at your
Sorry.
service.
Open some Michael Jackson videos on YouTube.
I have found a video as Michael Jackson. Smooth Criminal official video. Would you like to play it?
Okay. Yes.
Give me a second, sir.
So guys, as you can see, we have used this open phrase which is registered in YouTube intent and application intent both, right? But still our Jarvis able to make the decision what kind of command I am giving and what kind of intent I am going to have, right? So this is the thing which we have implemented so far in our Jarvis, so that our Jarvis will be able to take his decision by giving our commands, right? So that's the thing which I wanted to show you, and the most amazing thing, I'll show you that. I'll just say some Hindi words and it will take that also. Hello Jarvis. Hello Jarvis.
Hello, sir. How may I help you?
Play some videos of Michael Jackson.
I have found a video as Michael Jackson. Smooth Criminal official video. Would you like to play it?
Huh.
Give me a second, sir.
So here you can see I have said ha, which is a Hindi word, and the meaning in English is yes. So that is the positive word. That's why our Jarvis has opened that video, right? So friends, I hope you like this video till now, right? And I am going to commit this code on my GitHub account. You can have this complete code from there also, but the thing is, I just want to request you to guys, if you are downloading this code from there, please mark my repository as the star, so that everybody get to know that yes, this repository is going to be very beneficial for them, right? So how you can have it, just let me commit this, and I'll show you from where you can just get all the samples of the this YouTube and other Google console samples, right? So let me just close this, right? And I'll just commit this code, but it is not going to happen. Yes, now it will happen. Okay, so these are the files which we are going to commit, right? And let me first, the thing which I need to do, I need to delete this key. Yes, and it's deleting. Is it? Oh yes, right. And if you see here now, if I'll run this, let's see whether it is working or not. Hello Jarvis.
Hello, sir. How may I help you?
Play some Michael Jackson videos on YouTube. And yes, here you got error that API key expired. Please renew the API key, right? So I'll just remove it, and I'll just put this here. Yes, this is it. Now just commit this code. YouTube integrated, right? Yes, code analyzer also I'm going to have. Let's see whether we have any code errors or not. Oh yes. Yeah. Okay, fine. So we will do it later, this review, right? Push, and when you go to my GitHub account, then GitHub, yes, here self-learning, yes, here you can see the comment YouTube integrated, and when you see in the intent, you will get this YouTube search, right? And so here you need to make it as star, right? When you make it as star, then everyone will get to know that yes, this repository is will be beneficial for them, right? And I'll give the link also of that Google API link, right? So that you will have all the samples of the code. If I'll just try to search for that also, let's see. GitHub, do we have anything here? Yes, I think yes, this is the one, right? So here you can see we have all the translate, task, app engine, storage, service account, and where is the YouTube ones? Add-ons, application, audit, search console, storage, translate. Yeah, here we have. So the code is here, readme, and this is the repository, right? And here we have in the Python. You open this Python, and then you will have all the detail or all the scripts here, like upload video, download video, and other things. Not the download video, do we have? No, we don't have, right? So for the search, you can see here, this is the code which we have used, and I have just modified this code so that we can have just those part which we need to have, right? So this is the script which I have taken in my code, right? So I'll just have this link also, or not even this link, I'll just have the main link, uh, this one, Google API client link, right? I'll just put this link in my video, in my videos description box, right? So here you can see this is start as 4.7k, right? So I want that number also in my repository also, right? So please do me a favor, please make it as star now. So that's it, guys. I hope you are enjoying this Jarvis series, and see you in next video. And in next video, hopefully, as I promised you guys that this weekend we will have Windows application things, but unfortunately I didn't get my hard disk for this weekend. But in next weekend we will definitely have it, and I'll try to make that video for you guys, right? So till then, if you have any question, any doubt related to this Jarvis series, please comment down in the comment section. If you are really enjoying this video, please hit the like button also, and if you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon also for more interesting videos. Till then, thank you for watching. Jai Hind.